Hey gamers, today I'll show you how to unlock Inky, one of the ghost characters from the Pac-Man in Crossy Road. If you already unlock Pac-Man, you are just a few steps away from getting Inky too. At the bottom you will see this collection option. Here you need to go to the Pac-Man. You need to first of all unlock this, as you can see. Then while playing, to get Inky, you first need to be playing in the Pac-Man game mode. You can unlock Pac-Man by playing the Pac-Man maze once, which give you access to the mode. Now while playing the maze as the Pac-Man, your goal is to eat 50 pack dots in a single round. That's the little yellow dots scattered around the maze. So you need to eat 50 dots. As you can see, these are the dots, so you need to eat 50 dots to unlock the. Once you manage to chomp 50 dots in one go, the game will automatically unlock the Inky the Ghost as a new playable character. And after, you will be able to use Inky not only in the Pac-Man maze but also in the regular Crossy mode. And that's it, just collect 50 pack dots in Pac-Man mode and Inky is all yours. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe for more Crossy Road secrets, and let me know in the comments which ghost you want me to cover next, and I'll see you in the next one.